Hello, it's Jen Ike here with iusereviews.com, where I only review internet marketing products and programs that I actually use or have used. And today I want to talk to you about building a website. Every internet marketer says they need a website, right? They tell you, get a website together, and it's so easy using WordPress, which I agree it is. But the thing is, when you first install WordPress on your site, um, it doesn't look very user-friendly, does it? You look at it and you say, wait a minute, it still doesn't look like a professional website should look. And I'm not going to go into all the ins and outs right now about how to actually do the WordPress installation and how it all fits together as far as your overall internet marketing plan. I do have a site that I'm starting. If you're interested in learning more about the whole process of going through everything, all the components that it takes to be an internet marketer, you can go to stopstrugglingonline.com. That's my new site that walks you through the whole entire process. But for now, I just want to point out the fact that you will need a website. You will need, web hosting. You will need to install WordPress. But then once you install it, what do you do? So I want to kind of give you the answer here on how to make a totally professional website, professional looking website in, I don't know, literally less than 5 minutes. So here we are at My Theme Shop, which is an amazing website that has WordPress themes that you can download and instantly make a website with them. So as you can see, they have a lot of different themes here, and they're just literally ready to go. They look professional. They make it hassle-free, and they're very affordable too. I know you can get these themes for the stated price here, one theme at a time. They also have a club option where you can get like all the themes for one fee. But let's just look on one theme and look how it looks. For example, when you go to the site, you can actually view a demo of how it works. So here we have the default theme, which looks pretty good as is, I think, and you see how easy it would be to just insert your own photos, insert your own text, and it's got the layout here. Like, I mean, you just look 100% professional in just the snap of a finger. I love how you can just, insert your own content. You don't have to worry about, everything that has to do with WordPress. Like I said, internet marketers say it's so easy to just slap WordPress on your site, but then what do you do with it? And just to give you an example, I'm going to go ahead and set up a site, just a plain old site with WordPress, start out with WordPress, and then show you how quick it is to install one of these themes and have it looking professional here in the snap of a finger. And one thing I want to point out real quick before I do that is that my site, my iUserViews site, is built off of My Theme Shop themes. I might change the theme later. I'm pretty happy with this one. I just put it up there and put my links in there, and it gives me everything. And I could tweak it a little bit more. I haven't really worked too much on it, but can you see the power of having the ability to just build a site that quick and have it, look like this? So here we are on my site, on iUserViews. I just installed a new WordPress blog. You can see it's this plain old ugly, typical WordPress site. Actually, that theme's not bad. It's the new, whatever, default theme. I don't think it looks that bad, but it's still not really what I want it to look like, right? So I'm going to go into my dashboard. And I'm going to go to, let's see, plugins. Oh, I should be wearing my glasses for this. I'm sorry. what I want to do is scroll down and go to Appearance, Themes. And, you know, when you get a theme through My Theme Shop, it's just a basic WordPress plugin. So, or, you know, theme that you would install like any other WordPress theme. So I'm going to go to, and this is the theme I was talking about, 2017 that comes as default. And WordPress has a lot of default themes that you may or may not want to use, but you saw the difference between, you know, say one of these themes and what I just showed you on the My Theme Shop site. So I'm just going to go to upload my theme. And, you know, you can browse on the site for the theme that you like. One of my favorites here is this Steady Income theme. So I'll install it. And you can obviously look at a preview or activate it. I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. And it'll have some required plugins that you want to install. Nothing scary. They're all just used as part of the theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and install all of them. And there we have it. They're all installed. And so I'm going to look at my new site. As you can see, it's the theme, but we're going to have to add some things to it to make it, you know, look a little bit better. Okay, so I've skipped a few steps here. I've gone ahead and uploaded some images. And obviously, like I said, I am not going into the whole tutorial of how internet marketing works and all that. You can get information below about that. But you would obviously have chosen a niche, and you know what you're going to say, you know what your point is to having this site. But let's pretend that you wanted to go into the gardening niche. And so I've just uploaded several images here, and I'll go to, let's just like go to make a new post and see how it works. Okay, so we're going to trash that one because I don't need a Hello World post. And let's go ahead and make a new one. And say first post. And we're just going to type a bunch of words in here. Just trying to make it quick. Again, you would already have your, you know, words and all that ready to go. Paste. And actually, you know, I would have had a post already to go to show you, but then that, you know, would kind of lose the effect of showing you how easy this is to do. So then we're going to say, you know, we would have categories set up too. So you can put any number of categories you want. And then we're going to go down to featured image. And I don't think I can do this with the video here, so let me pause it. Okay, so I just moved it a little bit, but let's choose an image. I moved this a little bit, so it won't be in the way, but I chose an image, and we're going to say set featured image, and hopefully that'll work. I play around with it so it works, so you should do the same thing. Okay, so we've got the image in there, and we're just going to say publish, see how it looks. And there we go. There's my post, there's my image there, there's my words. You can obviously put your links in there. It's already got the links, so you can insert your Twitter and your Gmail and all that stuff, Facebook links. And then you'll have your categories over here, and you can customize these, folks, any way that you want to. You know, you can move where if you want the posts down here instead of up here, or your comments moved over. Or let's say you want to delete archives. I never use that. Or you can make custom categories too, you know. So let's say you wanted to say buy different kinds of flowers, like, you know, or, you know, here's outdoor gardening, and this category is vegetable gardening. This one is indoor flowers. There's any number of ways to customize these different categories. And remember, this is just one theme, and you saw how many were on that site. So there is just, it's totally, I don't remember what it costs right now to be a member. It's even a good deal per theme. You get to keep the theme for life if you buy it. But if you join their club and go yearly, that's an excellent deal. You get access to all those themes that I showed you right here, going back to just theme shop site. So you can have like all of these different themes that they have available. And they usually have a deal where you've got them for one price. This is just kind of a little snapshot of them. You go to how many, you see there's just pages and pages to look through. So I highly recommend it, My Theme Shop, in order to build out a professional, quick website. And, you know, part of the thing about internet marketers is a lot of times we sit there and overthink things instead of just taking action. This I Use Reviews site was an attempt to just start taking action and, you know, get in the practice of doing things and, you know, putting things out there instead of sitting there and overanalyzing them. So I highly recommend a good way to get started doing that is by picking up a theme from mythemeshop.com. And actually, if you want to show your appreciation to me for introducing you to this excellent, excellent resource, I highly recommend that you get it either way. But you can go to my affiliate link, which is iusereviews.com/mythemeshop, and get it through iUseReviews. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next review.